Become a Bingx trader and get trial funds and a copy trading subsidy. Hey there, my dudes. Are you tired of getting the short end of the stick when it comes to your crypto trading game? Well, buckle up because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge that's gonna change the way you approach the crypto market forever. My name's Ryan, and I'm a seasoned crypto trader who's been in the game for years. I've seen it all, from the wild price swings to the jaw-dropping gains, and let me tell you, it ain't easy out there. But fear not, my friends, because I'm here to share with you a little secret that's gonna take your trading to the next level. Now, I know what you're thinking, dude, how can I possibly make mad stacks in this volatile market? Well, let me tell you, the answer lies in a little something called Bingx. And let me tell ya, this platform is the real deal, fam. First off, let's talk about the sweet trial funds that Bingx hooks you up with. I'm talking about cold hard cash that you can use to test out your trading strategies, no strings attached. That's right, you can dip your toes in the crypto pool without risking your own hard-earned dough. And let me tell you, that's a game changer, my dudes. But wait, there's more. Bingx also offers a killer copy trading feature that's gonna blow your mind. Basically, you can take a look at the trades of the big-time traders on the platform and copy their moves. Genius, right? It's like having a personal trading guru on your team, except this one won't charge you an arm and a leg. And get this, when you sign up using the referral code 911, you'll even get a sweet little subsidy for your copy trading endeavors. That means more profits in your pocket, my friends. So, what are you waiting for? Head on over to Bingx and get your hands on those trial funds and copy trading perks. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, how do I know I can trust this Bingx thing? Well, let me tell you, this platform is legit. They've got a solid track record, top-notch security, and a team of experts who know their stuff. And let me just say, if you're looking to up your crypto game, Bingx is where it's at. So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? Head on over to Bingx, use that referral code 911, and get ready to rake in the dough. Trust me, this is the opportunity of a lifetime, and you don't want to miss out. Just make sure to watch the video all the way to the end because I've got some more killer tips and tricks up my sleeve.